Let's start from the beginning. Where were you last night at 8:30 p.m.? And what were you doing at that exact moment? At 8:30 p.m., I was walking near Central Avenue. I was looking at the shop windows and I was checking my phone. I wasn't running and I wasn't hiding. I was just walking slowly. Who were you walking with? Were you meeting someone? Or were you going somewhere alone? Tell me. I wasn't alone. I was meeting someone. I was spending time with a friend. We were talking and laughing. We weren't doing anything illegal. While you were walking near Central Avenue, a man reported that someone was stealing his cell phone and wallet. Were you standing close to him? Were you watching him? No, I wasn't standing near him and I wasn't watching him. I was focusing on my conversation. I didn't even notice anyone losing anything. Witnesses said you were looking around nervously. Why were you looking around like that? Were you waiting for the right moment? I wasn't waiting for anything like that. I was looking around because the street was busy. Cars were passing, people were crossing, and I was just being careful. What was your friend doing while you were walking? Was she talking to you the whole time? I need to know. Yes, she was talking to me. She was telling me about her day, and I was listening. We were both walking slowly. She wasn't touching anyone's bag or pockets. What was she wearing? Were you holding something in your hands? She was wearing a dark jacket and jeans. I was holding my phone. At 8:30 p.m., cameras show you stopping near the corner. What were you doing there? We were stopping because she was tying her shoe. I was waiting for her. While she was tying her shoe, were you standing close to the victim? I was standing next to her. I wasn't near the victim. I wasn't even looking at him. Hmm. The victim said someone was bumping into him. Were you bumping into people? while you were walking? No, I wasn't bumping into anyone. The street was crowded and people were moving fast. Maybe someone else was pushing him, but it wasn't me. Where were you going after you left the corner? Were you heading to a restaurant? Yes, we were going to a small cafe nearby. We were planning to sit and talk. What was your friend's name? Was she working with you? She wasn't working with me, and I don't want to say her name. She has nothing to do with this situation. I can't tell you her name. Why are you refusing to tell me her name? Are you protecting her? I was protecting her privacy. She wasn't stealing anything. Were you both running when the victim was shouting for help? No, we were already sitting at the cafe when we heard someone shouting. The cafe owner said a couple was sitting by the window. Were you sitting by the window? Yes, we were facing the street. We were watching people walking outside. If you were watching the street, how were you not seeing the robbery? We weren't paying attention to every single person. We were talking deeply. She was telling me something important, and I was listening carefully. Were you holding her hand while you were sitting there? What? Well, yes, I was holding her hand. That doesn't sound like a simple friend. Were you having a romantic relationship with her? I wasn't ready to answer that. No, I can't tell you. Why can't you tell me? What are you hiding? Tell me the truth. I was hiding the truth. She wasn't just a friend. She was someone special. So you were lying when you said she was just a friend. She she wasn't my friend. She was my lover. That's why I didn't want to say her name. I was protecting myself, not her. Okay, but were you still in the wallet and the cell phone? No, I wasn't stealing anything. I was making a mistake, but I wasn't committing a robbery. While you were sitting in the cafe, cameras show another man running past you. I think so. He was wearing a hoodie and moving fast. Let's see. He was taller than me and he was wearing a gray hoodie. He was running toward the subway entrance. I'm sure about that. I understand. Why didn't you say this before? Because, oh God, because I was embarrassed. I was more worried about my wife finding out than about explaining what I saw. So while you were hiding your affair, the real thief was escaping. Yes, I was being selfish and scared. I wasn't thinking clearly. We checked the cameras. The man in the hoodie was stealing the wallet. You were not touching the victim. You were sitting in the cafe at that exact time. Ah, thank God. So, I'm not the thief. No, you were not stealing anything. But you were lying. And you were hiding the truth about your relationship. I understand. I was making a serious mistake in my personal life. Your wife is outside. She was waiting here while we were questioning you. My wife? Oh no, I didn't know she was here. You were not stealing a wallet, but you were breaking someone's trust. Yes, I wasn't a criminal, but I wasn't innocent either. Go talk to your wife. While you were trying to hide the truth, it was becoming bigger. I understand. I was running from my problems, and now I have to face them.